That flickering you see here, that's just in camera, not in person. Sounds really good. Got the power steps, makes it really nice to get in and out. A little bit of black smoke comes out. See it kind of trickling out. Very subtle, but a little bit. So it does roll coal. Really, really nice truck. All right, we're gonna do a quick test drive here. We have 49,000 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. There is a rock chip right there in the windshield. Now the steering wheel is slightly off center and it does shake a little bit. Hitting on the brakes. Brakes feel good, no issues there. Truck sounds really good. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, couple rock chips. I don't see any curb rash. Date code on the tires, 2024, 35s. Tread is on the low side here. Looking at the fender. Typical swirls just from everyday washing, but overall all of that looks really nice. You can see some dirt in the lens there. There are some touch-up spots here. That looks good. Typical rock chips here on that lower section. Got a couple larger ones there. Small touch-up spot. Rest of that looks good. Now you're gonna see this section has rock chips kind of peppered throughout. A few on that bed. A few more chips there. See the tread here, pretty low. Looking at that wheel. Looks like you're missing the cap there. Cover that up. Taillight looks good. Got a couple chips right there. Looking at the bumper. Got some touch-up spots there. The rest of that looks good. Got your bed liner. Couple chips. That taillight looks good. See some scuffs right there as well. Making our way down that bed. That looks good, except you're gonna have the rock chips here. Overall, that wheel looks nice. Some light scuffs here. Got a marking right there. That door looks good. Those pillars look really nice. Typical rock chips on that lower section, but otherwise that door is clean. Fender looks good. Once again, tread. Same as all the other ones. That rim looks nice. Beautiful headlights. Typical rock chips here on that front end. Look around, you're gonna see them here and there. It's pretty subtle though, it's not a bunch. Pretty normal for the miles on the truck. And a lot of that looks really good. So overall, very, very nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now I do see some little scuffs on the plastic, a little bit of wear right here, probably from your elbow. Some little fingernail scratches, probably rings kind of marking that up. Otherwise, that panel looks good. Typical scuffs here. Really nice floor mats. Looking at that bolster, it is smushed down a little bit. Still has a lot of form left. Very little wear. That bolster looks nice. Got a little indentation here just from everyday sitting. That looks good. Love the steering wheel here. A couple little chips on that wood grain. Overall, that wheel looks nice. 49,000 miles. You do have the leather here on the dash, so you're going to see some light wrinkles and imperfections there. Super common. Got the massive screen. A little bit of wear here, just from an arm sitting there. Otherwise, it looks really good. All right, looking at that panel, overall clean. Typical scuffs on that trim. Love those floor mats, look really good. A little bit of wear on the bolster, otherwise it looks good. That side looks amazing. Upper side looks good. Console looks nice. Very clean. Got your storage here. This looks like brand new in the bag. It is a heavy duty cold weather cover. Looks nice. Overall, the door panel looks good. Light scuff there. Now there's going to be some indentions in the seat from it being folded up. I imagine that will go away over time. Those look really nice. Seat back looks good. Really nice back here. All right, we're going to just scan through the engine bay here. Then looking at the liner and all that plastic.